Good morning. My name is Abby Dehart. I'm a licensed insurance agent with Ryan Everet Insurance Agency. And today I wanted to let you guys know the difference between a captive and an independent agency. A captive agent and an independent agency. So a captive agent only has the ability to sell you one product. They work for an insurance company, specifically for them. And anytime you call them up, they can just offer you one thing. There's quite a few insurance companies out there that are captive. And the thing about a captive agency is in order sometimes to get you the most competitive price and beat out all the insurance companies, they have to make your coverage really, really low. So that results in sometimes people not having adequate insurance. Which can be a big problem when you get in an accident. So that is the one downside with a captive agency. A captive agent is they can only offer you one product. So at your renewal, whenever your price goes up, they have nothing else to offer you unless they drop your coverages or, so that's captive. Then there is an independent agency, and an independent agency works with a multitude of insurance companies and works for the client, not for the insurance company. So we get to say, hey Dale, we'll go and find you, we'll search 13 different insurance companies, find out which has the best price for the coverage that you need. And here's the coverage you need. We can educate you about that. I can do more videos about that later, but we'll make sure that you get the right insurance, and then we will have these other insurance companies compete against each other to find you the best price. So that's what an independent agency does. They have many different insurance carriers to offer. Different independent agencies have different numbers of insurance companies that they offer. Some may have 3, some may have 10, some may have 13. You can ask. But they don't have to specifically work for one company, and that is the major identifying difference between an independent agency and a captive agent. I recommend whenever you're shopping for insurance and you call someone up to make a quote, ask, are you an independent agency? And if they say, yes, we are, awesome. If they say, no, we're not, then just know that they will be offering you one product. I wouldn't say, are you captive? Because sometimes people are what I like to call incentive captive, where technically they could offer you something different, but they have a way lower financial incentive for themselves because really they are captive, but technically their company will let them show you different things if they want, if you must, but the agent gets paid a lot less for offering those outside policies. So they're basically captive, but they just say they're not captive because on a technicality, but they're definitely not an independent agency. So what I would say is, are you an independent agency? Yes or no? And if they say no, they're captive. If they say yes, they're independent. Ryan Everet is an independent agency here in Texas. If you need any home, auto, commercial, life policies, looking for any of that, we can absolutely help you. Our number is 940-268-5112. And what I love about being in insurance is that I really do get to help the clients. We get to advocate for you, whether that's during a claim, billing mix-ups, anything like that. We get to be there for our clients. And when one company is no longer sufficient or competitive for you, we will reshop it for you and we'll make sure you're taken care of and work to just take out all the stress in the realm of insurance, so that when it comes to this thing called insurance that you have to have anyway, we can make it as painless as possible. We can wait on hold to talk to the person instead of you having to do that. You can just call us. So anyway, feel free to give us a call. Thank you for listening and have a great day.